Hi there! If you're wondering how to change from Google to Safari on iPhone, then you're in the right place. Firstly, go in Settings on your phone and scroll all the way down to find last section Apps. After that, on the top, you should see this Feature Default Apps, in which you can choose your default apps as email, messaging, calling, and so on. So in the list, we need to find Browser app, and instead of Google, we need to tap on Safari to make it our browser, so to make it our default browser app. After that, you can go back in Apps list, find your Safari. I'm gonna just find it. Tap on Search Engine and pick any other from the list. Then save changes by going back. And after that, it will be your default search engine. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.